Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Java on a Windows 10. Let's get started. So you can open any browser, going with the Chrome now. So just open Google, say Oracle JDK latest download. So we need to choose JDK so that we will get both Java compiler as well as Java runtime. If you choose just JRE, so that will not give you the Java compiler. So that's why you should always install the JDK since you want to compile the programs as well that you are going to explore for your study purpose, whatever it is. So that's why we have chosen here Oracle JDK downloads. So let's go to Java downloads. Before that, I will check whether it is installed or not. Let's go to command prompt. Here you type Java to check whether Java is already installed or not. So Java is not recognized, so it is not installed. Check Java compiler, Java C. So it is also not installed. So Java C is just compilation purpose. For compilation purpose, Java is for running the programs. Okay, so now both of them are not installed. Let us go and download it. So choose the Windows operating system. Here, the installer, you can choose anything of your choice. x64 is basically represents architecture. Most of the systems will come with now x64 architecture. So you can choose x64 architecture. So let us choose this. So it will get downloaded. So just remember the difference between JDK and JRE is that JDK will will have compiler as well, but JRE will not have the compiler. So that's a major difference, one of the major difference. So once downloaded, we can just go to the folder. And right click and run as administrator. So you say yes to this. It will ask you to give the permission to install this to your device. So you just say yes. So this frame will not be shown in the video. So now you just select next. So this is the location where it will get installed. C program files Java JDK 19. So just say okay. If you want to change the location, you can click on change and choose a alternative path, alternate folder of your choice. So for now, I think it's fine. No need to change this. So just say okay and say next. So it will get installed. So for this, nowadays there is no need to set the path variable for Java. Because it will automatically set the path variable. So there is no need to set that. So here, if you click on next steps, it will take you to the browser with JDK related URLs where you can further explore. So that's not needed for now. You can just say close. Or if you click on next steps, it will go to browser. Okay, I'm just closing it. So now if you go and check it, give Java command. See Java, if you want to see the version, Java version, so it will give Java version. Similarly, Java C command also you can see. Okay, now Java is installed on our system with version 19. If you want to see the environment path variable, you can just search for environment variables, system environment variables. Choose this. And here go to here, environment variables. Here you can see the path variable. Okay, so here path is there. You can go to edit, CC program files, common files, Oracle, Java, Java path. There is an alias created by that installer, and it has been set here. Okay, and real programs are actually available. That Java and Java C command are available at the location. C program files. We can navigate to that location if you want C. program files, Java, JDK 19, and bin folder will be there. So this bin will have all the executables. Okay, here you can see, hey, the Java C command and Java command. So these two will be installed as part of that one. And path to this path will be set in the environment variables through the alias. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.